Pistachios are one of the most popular nuts in the world, and the U.S. is now the leading producer thanks to advanced harvesting technology. In this video, modern agri-machines will take you on a journey through the pistachio harvesting and processing process at large farms in California. From vast orchards to state-of-the-art machinery, every step is optimized to ensure the highest quality. Join us as we explore how American farmers efficiently harvest, preserve, and process pistachios before they reach consumers. Pistachios have been cultivated for centuries, originally thriving in Iran, which was once the world's largest exporter. However, today the United States has risen to the top, supplying approximately 40% of the global pistachio production. This industry holds immense value, with the U.S. pistachio crop reaching nearly $2 billion in 2022 alone. Notably, farms in California set a record by harvesting over 1.03 billion pounds of pistachios, generating substantial revenue for farmers. To ensure high yields and the best quality pistachios, selecting and preparing the soil are crucial steps. Pistachio trees thrive best in soil that combines sand, clay, and organic matter, maintaining adequate moisture while preventing root rot. Large farms in the U.S. use modern technology to analyze soil composition, measure pH levels, and check nutrient content before cultivation. Once the ideal land is selected, the soil preparation process begins with advanced agricultural machinery. High-powered plows dig deep into the ground, breaking up compacted soil and creating a loose, aerated structure. Next, automated land leveling machines equipped with GPS technology ensure a perfectly even surface, optimizing the efficiency of irrigation systems. Before planting, farms typically use automated fertilizer spreaders to enrich the soil with essential nutrients, promoting healthy seedling growth. Pistachios are usually grown from grafted plants, where rootstocks are chosen for their resistance to pests and diseases, while the scions produce high-quality pistachio nuts. The planting process is also mechanized to save time and labor. Specialized planting machines dig precise holes and place the young trees at standard intervals, ensuring they have enough space to grow properly. Immediately after planting, advanced drip irrigation systems are installed to deliver water and nutrients accurately, creating the optimal environment for pistachio trees to flourish. At large pistachio farms, organic fertilizer plays a crucial role in providing nutrients and improving soil quality. The composting process begins with collecting materials such as leaves, twigs, pistachio shells, manure, and other organic matter. These materials are placed into industrial composting systems where automatic mixing machines ensure even decomposition. To accelerate the process, beneficial microorganisms are added to break down the organic matter into nutrients that trees can easily absorb. After approximately 3 to 6 months, the fully decomposed compost is evenly spread around the tree roots, enriching the soil and supplying essential micronutrients for optimal growth. leaf shedding season, pruning is carried out to promote healthy growth and improve air circulation. Specialized pruning machines are used to remove old, dry branches and overly dense shoots, allowing the tree to focus its nutrients on stronger branches. This process not only enhances the tree's development, but also increases yield and improves pistachio quality in the next harvest season. Harvesting pistachios is a crucial stage that directly affects the quality of the final product. Thanks to modern technology, this process at large farms is almost fully automated, improving efficiency and minimizing losses. During harvesting, instead of manual picking, farmers use specialized shaking machines. These mechanical arms firmly grip the tree trunk and shake it at a controlled frequency, causing the pistachios to fall into V-shaped catch frames positioned below. This method prevents the nuts from touching the ground, ensuring cleanliness and reducing contamination risks. Once collected, the pistachios are transported via automatic conveyors to storage bins or specialized trucks for delivery to processing facilities. During this stage, an initial cleaning system removes leaves, small branches, and other debris in preparation for further processing. After harvesting, pistachios are transported to processing facilities for cleaning and sorting. First, an automated washing system removes dirt, leaves, and any remaining outer husks. Next, the nuts are dried in specialized ovens under carefully controlled temperature and time conditions to preserve their natural flavor. Once dried, pistachios are sorted using laser technology and AI systems. Naturally, split-shell nuts are separated as they hold the highest market value. Meanwhile, unsplit nuts undergo mechanical cracking to extract the kernels. Finally, the pistachios are packaged in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment to maintain quality before distribution. This modern processing system ensures that pistachios retain their freshness, flavor, and premium quality when reaching consumers. From cultivation and care to harvesting and processing, the pistachio industry has embraced modern technology to maximize productivity and quality. Thanks to advanced machinery, the production process has become faster and more efficient while preserving the rich, natural flavor of each nut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and to support us, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share, so more people can learn about modern agricultural technology. Most importantly, subscribe to the Modern Agri-Machines channel to stay updated with more fascinating videos on high-tech farming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.